Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 28. Go back to the classic settings. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work or business. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to the bottom of the screen, go to Explore all your applications. Now go to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, we can then navigate to the classic settings. So if we go to My Communities, go to Computer Science Videos, go to beneath the cover photo where we have the three dots in the bottom right corner. Click on this, go to Settings, and then go to the bottom again, Additional Settings, Classic Version. So if we click on this, and now we are taken back to the original layout of how this used to be when it comes to editing the settings. So we have the name, description, image, members, who can view the conversation, default publisher type. If we were to make the changes, we could then click on Save Changes. Let's just edit the description and type social media and videos. So if we were to now click on Save Changes, let's navigate back. Or once you do save the changes, it takes you back to the main page. If I was to go on the three dots again, go to Settings, and there we have, if I now Command R to refresh, go back to the three dots, Settings, go to Additional Settings, and there we have social media and videos. However, the changes were not made on the latest version. If we go back, click on the three dots, go to Settings, we would then have to re-add this to the description again. Click on Save. Let's go back to the three dots, go to description. If I were to remove this, click on Save, go to Settings, go to Additional Settings, and there we have the changes have now taken place. So that's okay. If we go back, let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.